What if I told you that far from being a faded chapter, your journey to Hawaii, maximum pleasure after 60, is actually an incredible opportunity to discover deeper, more mindful, and truly satisfying experiences? We're talking about solo pleasure here, which, let's be super clear, is a healthy, normal, and vital part of well-being at any age. As a urologist deeply dedicated to men's holistic health, I'm here to demystify this topic. I'm going to share 5 masturbation techniques to master for maximum pleasure after 60. This isn't about quick fixes, folks. It's about self-respect, cultivation, and unlocking new dimensions of intimate fulfillment. Before we dive in, do me a quick favor. Drop a 1 in the comments if this resonates, or a 0 if you'd like me to cover other topics. Your feedback helps me create content that truly matters. Why solo pleasure is vital for men's health. Welcome back to Men's Health. I'm Dr. RENA MALIK.MD. And in my practice, my entire mission really is to empower men at every age with honest, clear, and truly actionable insights into their health and well-being. Conversations around men's sexual health often focus solely on partnered sex, or on specific issues like erectile dysfunction and testosterone levels. And those are important, absolutely. But a crucial, often overlooked aspect of a man's intimate life is his relationship with solo pleasure. Masturbation, let's just say it out loud, is a healthy, normal, and vital activity that genuinely contributes to stress relief, better sleep, and a deeper connection with your own body and desires. No matter how old you are, you might feel a lingering societal stigma or even a personal hesitation about discussing this openly, especially as you get older. But I'm here to tell you emphatically, there's absolutely no shame in seeking to enhance your personal pleasure. The profound truth is your body and mind still hold immense capacity for vibrant intimacy. They just need the right understanding and consistent daily practices to truly reawaken that power. And the results, well, they can be genuinely life-changing, as I've seen with so many of my patients, who are now enjoying a level of intimate satisfaction they thought was long gone. Let me give you a glimpse of what's possible. In my practice, I've had the privilege to witness some truly incredible transformations from men who commit to mastering these 5 masturbation-inspiring real-life transformations techniques. Let me share a couple of examples. Take Alan, a 72-year-old widower. He genuinely felt his sexual life was completely over. But after embracing some simple warm-up rituals and practicing the technique of edging, he discovered renewed sensitivity and fantastic control. He told me during a follow-up, "Doctor, I honestly thought it was all gone. But now it's not just about an orgasm. It's about a deeper, more profound experience of pleasure and self-connection. I feel more alive than I have in years." Then there's James, a 68-year-old. He's an executive who felt quite self-conscious about slower arousal. In our consultations, he not only reported improved focus and reduced anxiety, but also a noticeable increase in his libido. And yes, the welcome return of spontaneous morning erections. Folks, these aren't isolated incidents in my clinic. Sex therapists and researchers consistently emphasize that adapting techniques to age-related changes combined with mindfulness consistently leads to increased satisfaction and significantly reduced anxiety. The real power here is in the intention and consistent practice. This isn't about quick fixes. It's about building a richer, more respectful, and profoundly satisfying relationship with your own body and your sexuality. Now let's talk about why these age-related shifts happen and how we can truly turn them into an opportunity for something even better. So what's fundamentally happening when men, particularly as they mature, start to notice these shifts in their sexual response and sensitivity? Understanding age-related changes in sensitivity, the kind of issues Alan and David were facing? Well, it's a natural physiological process. With age, blood flow to the genitals might subtly decrease. Nerve endings can become a little less sensitive, and arousal may simply take a little longer or require more direct stimulation. This isn't a sign of something being wrong. But rather, I like to see it as an invitation to explore pleasure with a brand new perspective, one that truly values mindfulness, intention, and a deeper connection to your body's evolving needs. Many men, having spent decades rushing towards the climax, might suddenly find that their old habits just don't deliver the same satisfaction. And again, this is not a roadblock. It's actually an opportunity. It's a chance to move beyond a purely genital-focused approach and discover the rich, full-body sensations that become even more profound with awareness and intention. This shift from speed to orgasm to savoring the journey is absolutely key to unlocking maximum pleasure, and it leads us directly to techniques designed for a more intentional and deeply satisfying experience. Given that age, the framework, 5 techniques to master for maximum pleasure, brings a natural evolution of sensitivity. It means we absolutely can adapt our approach to maximize pleasure, rather than just resigning ourselves to a decline. And that's precisely why I'm going to share 5 masturbation techniques to master for maximum pleasure after 60. Now, these aren't just tricks, okay? They are mindful, evidence-based strategies that can profoundly enhance your solo, intimate experiences, leading to greater comfort, confidence, and a deeper physical connection to your body. Each of these methods is specifically designed to address those age-related changes and cultivate a more holistic sense of arousal and satisfaction. We're not just identifying challenges here. We're unveiling clear pathways to a richer, more profound intimate life, empowering you to truly take back control of your body's natural capacity for pleasure. We'll dive into all 5, but I want to give you a heads up. Technique number 2, which is all about mastering edging, is perhaps the single most important and transformative skill you'll learn today for sustained pleasure and control. So make sure you stick around for that one. Now let's dive into these 5 powerful techniques, starting with perhaps the most fundamental, setting the perfect stage for ultimate relaxation and arousal. And hey, this isn't high school biology. This is about your real pleasure right now. All right, so the first technique, and honestly, it's technique number 1, the warm-up ritual of the simplest to master for maximum pleasure after 60 is creating a deliberate as warm-up ritual. Many guys just jump straight into stimulation. But as sensitivity shifts with age, a proper warm-up becomes absolutely crucial. This isn't about rushing anything. It's really about preparing both your body and your mind for a deeper, more nuanced kind of pleasure. 1, physical preparation. Think about some light stretching, especially your hips and lower back. That helps get the blood flowing and improves flexibility. A warm bath or shower, even better to really relax those muscles and boost circulation to the genital area. 2nd, sensory engagement. Don't go straight for the main event. Start with gentle, sensual touch elsewhere. Your chest, inner thighs, neck, even a light foot massage. Use lotions or oils here too to really enhance those tactile sensations. It helps broaden your pleasure map beyond just the penis, which is pretty cool. 3. Mental prep. Take a few deep breaths to just center yourself. Seriously, let go of the day's stresses. Maybe put on some music you love, dim the lights. You're creating an atmosphere for relaxation. This warm-up ritual literally signals to your body, hey, it's time to relax and receive some pleasure. It lets blood flow gradually increase. Those nerve endings slowly awaken, setting the perfect stage for the more direct stimulation to follow. This gradual approach makes sure you're fully present and your body is truly ready to savor each and every sensation. Okay, so technique number 2, mastering edging. Following your warm-up, the second powerful technique sought to master is edging. As I hinted earlier, this is a fundamental skill for anyone looking to extend pleasure and gain greater control over their orgasm. It's especially valuable as men age. So what is it? Edging means bringing yourself right to the very brink of orgasm. Feeling that intense build-up, and then intentionally pulling back or reducing stimulation just before you hit that point of no return. You hold yourself at that peak arousal for as long as you can, then gently resume. Enhance sensation and control by repeatedly taking yourself to the edge and pulling back. You're essentially training your body to tolerate higher levels of arousal without immediate climax. This not only makes the experience beautifully prolonged, but can also make the eventual orgasm more intense and deeply satisfying. 2. Increase blood flow. Keeping that high level of arousal for longer periods actually helps trap blood in the penis, which, and I can tell you this as a urologist, can contribute to firmer, more sustained erections. 3rd, mind-body connection. Edging is like a master class in mindfulness. It teaches you to truly listen to your body's signals, to discern those subtle cues of rising arousal, and to exert conscious control over your physical responses. This technique is all about delayed gratification. It transforms that hurried chase for climax into a prolonged journey of intense, sustained pleasure. It really allows you to explore the nuances of your own arousal in a way that's deeply empowering. And that control, it can certainly be applied to partnered sex as well. Remember, this isn't just about getting there. It's about learning to ride the waves of pleasure to really savor the journey, not just catching one quick ride. Now, as sensitivity naturally changes with age, the 3rd crucial technique number 3, grip variation and lubrication to master for maximum pleasure, is exploring the art of grip variation and generous lubrication. You see, a lot of men, without even really thinking about it, just get stuck in 1 or 2 standard grips or techniques. But adapting your touch can unlock entirely new realms of sensation, especially when those nerve endings become a little less responsive than they once were. 1. Play with pressure. Don't just stick to a tight grip. Experiment. Try softer, lighter touches using just your fingertips. Then maybe a looser, gentler grasp that allows for more gliding, and then explore firmer pressures at different points along the shaft. 2. Don't forget the full hand. Don't limit yourself to just the shaft. Use your entire hand, including your palm, to massage the base of the penis, the perineum. That's the area between the testicles and anus, by the way, and even the testicles themselves. These often retain more sensitivity and can really enhance overall arousal. 3. Lubrication is your friend. This is a big one. As natural lubrication may decrease with age, generous amounts of high-quality water-based lubricant are, in my opinion, non-negotiable. Lubrication isn't just about reducing friction. It enhances glide. It reduces skin irritation, and it can truly amplify sensations, making even lighter touches feel more profound. The key here, guys, is to experiment and find what truly resonates most with your body's evolving needs. Think of it as a personal adventure. These are just a few starting points. Your body is a landscape waiting to be explored. This direct physical adaptation then leads us to our next technique, leveraging the incredible power of your mind beyond the technique number 4. Fantasy integration and mental engagement, physical mechanics we've just talked about. The 4th powerful technique to master for maximum pleasure is deep fantasy integration and mental engagement. As we age, sexual pleasure really becomes increasingly about that powerful mind-body connection. Your imagination is without a doubt your most potent sexual organ, and harnessing it can profoundly amplify your experience, especially if physical sensitivity is a little reduced. 1. Conscious fantasizing. Don't just let fantasies passively float in and out. Actively choose and immerse yourself in vivid, arousing scenarios. This can be anything that excites you. Recalling past intimate experiences, imagining new ones, or exploring visual content that genuinely stimulates you. 2. Sensory immersion. As you fantasize, try to engage all your senses in your mind's eye. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you smell? What do you feel in your imagination? The more details you bring, the more fully your body often responds. 3. Focus on the journey. Instead of just thinking about reaching orgasm, immerse yourself fully in the journey of arousal. Let your mind explore the narrative, the emotions, the build-up of desire. This mental presence can lead to a richer, more prolonged experience, making the ultimate climax feel like a natural, deeply satisfying culmination rather than just a rushed endpoint. Research in sexology consistently highlights the powerful role of fantasy and mental imagery in enhancing arousal, desire, and satisfaction across all ages. By integrating your mind fully into the experience, you expand the landscape of pleasure far beyond just physical stimulation, preparing you perfectly for the crucial final stage of intimate satisfaction. Finally, the 5th technique, and one that's often technique number 5, post-climax aftercare, overlooked for maximum pleasure after 60, is post-climax aftercare. For many men, the moment after orgasm is simply the end, a rapid disengagement, and a quick return to daily tasks. But honestly, this is a missed opportunity to prolong those wonderful feelings of pleasure, relaxation, and self-connection. 1. Savor the sensations. Don't rush to clean up or check your phone. Linger in the afterglow. Really notice those subtle sensations in your body. The lingering warmth, the profound release of tension, that general sense of well-being. 2. Continue gentle touch. Consider continuing with gentle, non-demanding self-touch. Stroke your chest, your arms, or even the base of your penis, without the aim of rearal. This helps to maintain a physical connection and reinforces self-respect. 3. Mindful breathing and reflection. Take a few more deep, diaphragmatic breaths. Allow yourself to fully relax and truly enjoy the physiological and emotional release. Reflect on the pleasure you just experienced, acknowledging it as a healthy and positive part of your life. This practice is about extending the experience of pleasure beyond the physical orgasm, transforming it into a period of calm, contentment, and a deeper appreciation for your body. By embracing this post-climax after hour, you create a more holistic and respectful relationship with your own body and your sexuality. It helps you understand that pleasure is a continuous spectrum, not just a single peak. It truly helps you achieve at maximum pleasure after 60, enhancing your comfort, confidence, and self-connection in profound ways. Now, while mastering these 5 masturbation crucial medical advice and when to see your urologist techniques can be an incredibly powerful intervention for boosting personal pleasure, confidence, and your overall well-being after 60. It's absolutely vital to stay in close communication with your healthcare provider. Remember, taking control of your health is about being proactive and fully informed. While these techniques address the experience of pleasure, they are not a substitute for a proper medical diagnosis or prescribed treatment for underlying medical conditions that might be impacting your sexual health. If you're experiencing persistent or severe issues, such as chronic or worsening erectile dysfunction, pain during arousal or masturbation, unexplained genital discomfort, or any other concerning physical symptoms, it is absolutely vital to consult with your urologist or primary care physician immediately. Underlying conditions like heart disease, diabetes, hormonal imbalances, or even nerve damage can cause or worsen sexual difficulties and absolutely require professional attention. Your doctor can perform a proper assessment, conduct necessary tests, and discuss all available options with you. They will ensure you receive the most accurate diagnosis and the safest, most effective care, working in true partnership with your proactive self-care practices. Please never let embarrassment or a sense of resignation prevent you from seeking this vital care. Your comfort, your peace of mind, and your long-term health are far too important to neglect. Make that call. Okay? Your journey to lasting pleasure, renewed confidence, and a truly vibrant, fulfilling, intimate life starts right now with these powerful, actionable techniques. Don't let questions or uncertainty about safe, effective self-care limit your potential for a truly satisfying life. Take action today. Be brave. Commit to exploring just one of these 5 techniques this week with an open mind and a spirit of self-discovery. Perhaps it's setting a warm-up ritual or practicing edging or simply experimenting with new touch. It's a concussion, small, tangible investment that yields profound returns in personal pleasure and self-connection. I promise you. And if you have any persistent sexual health concerns, schedule that long overdue checkup with your urologist or primary care physician. Discuss your symptoms openly and honestly and truly take control of your health. Your emotional peace, your physical health, and your intimate happiness are absolutely worth this vital step and the liberation it can bring. Now, if this video has brought you clarity, understanding, or even just a spark of hope, please take a moment right now to hit that like button. It genuinely helps us know we're delivering content that truly resonates with you, our cherished men's health community. More importantly, please share this vital video widely with every man you know, your friends, family, colleagues, anyone who might be quietly navigating age-related intimate changes or simply seeking trusted, positive advice to enhance their personal pleasure. Your simple act of sharing could be the turning point for them, offering invaluable, empowering insights into 5 masturbation techniques to master for maximum pleasure after 60. And to never miss out on exclusive, trustworthy men's health and wellness advice, and the latest breakthroughs from leading experts, all meticulously crafted to empower men. Please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell right now. We're building a strong, supportive community here, and we genuinely want to hear from you. Join me in the Solo Pleasure Reclaim Challenge. Commit to exploring these techniques and share your respectful insights or questions below in the comments. What new discovery have you made about your body or pleasure? Your insights truly help others navigate similar journeys. And together, we can all reclaim our strength, confidence, and vitality. Our men's health community is a powerful place to learn,